It's so fine that you don't really even notice that it's there. You can run your hands through their coats and come out with no hairs. She loves children. It's March. It's South by Southwest. It's springtimey today. There's music noise in the background. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera or not. When I edit this, maybe I'll find out how effective these little puffy things are. These puffy things that I put over the microphones. Maybe they'll eliminate some of the wind noise. It's pretty windy. Hey, you cute puppy. You get really wind blown there, Cypress. You're good at getting wind blown. So's Juniper. Juniper! 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 There are too many birds in the park for her to pay attention to anything that I might say. She really, really wants to know everything about birds. Cypress is interested, but she doesn't have the driving passion that Juniper does. Right, Cypress? See, she's checking them out, but she's not oblivious to the world the way Juniper is when there are birds nearby. Doop. Juniper. Doop. There's your face. What if I do this? There's her face. Whoop. Right, Juniper? It's really nice living near a park. I love that I can make my way here on foot and then just wander around with the dogs. Hit the trails over there if we need a little more leg stretching. I'm really looking forward to when I can start running again. I never thought I'd be a runner, and I'm running out of battery. Maybe I'll just save this talk for another time. Hi, Cypress. This is new. You just laying down instead of going where I want you to go?